Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your age on your selfies using the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Select the picture that you would like to edit. And after that, slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find the age category. So click on it. And as you can see in this section, all of the filters are available. So you don't need to purchase or go premium in order to unlock the filters. You have the baby face option, which ranges from 1 to 5. So you can select from these levels. You have young 3, young 2, child, teen, old and cool old. So these are the filters that you can use and try out. Feel free to play around with them, select the most appropriate one or the one that you would like to use. And here you can see the contrast between the original and the produced picture by clicking on the contrast button on the right side of the screen. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.